So sometimes, guys, Airbnb is not only fun and games and making a lot of money. I'm gonna light up here real quick so I can show you how it looks now, but I'm also gonna include some pictures how it looked before, okay? Okay, see this wall? Looks great. Now. Then we had a lot of things here and here. There's a scratch on the floor. I don't know if you can see it. On the camera it's kind of harder to show, guys. Also, there was like a sand on the TV. There's still some sand here, I think. Couldn't really get it. But there was like sand on top of here. Here it was like, I don't know if you can see on the picture. But now it's nothing. But across the whole thing, there was quite some few things that I had to take out. Toys under the bed. As you can see now, it looks amazing, right? I mean, I fixed it. And I had tenants back to back. So sometimes you cannot really do the touch-up paint that you want because, you know, their children, the previous guest had children. They left a sink full of dishes. When I tell you full, I mean full. Like it was with, you know what I mean, full. So I had to clean it. It was me and Angelo who does my ATMs. I sold my ATM business actually. Maybe the video is already out, so look it up here somewhere. But yeah, you have to do what you have to do. Sometimes it's gonna take more. It took me 3 hours yesterday to clean this place after the second guest. Second guest was better. They still left dishes, still left some stuff here and there. But you gotta make a decision. Are you gonna charge your guests $50 for extra cleaning with the risk of a bad review, or you're okay paying maybe $10, $20 more to a cleaner, or you do it yourself? In this case, I do it myself. So I can make a checklist for the cleaners. I want to train them the way I want them to clean, not what they tell me that they do. If you know my previous videos that I went to school, pooped a couple times, and cleaners said, "Oh, we don't do that. Who are you gonna start?" Because I tell you what to do. You don't tell me what you do. I tell you what I want done, and you tell me how much you want to get paid, and that's how it works. But anyways, I ended up cleaning everything yesterday myself. Then doing the touch-up paint, and I'm thinking once a month I'm gonna do my in-house property manager, in-house maintenance, whatever you wanna call it, to do touch-up paint when they're changing the filters and they're doing the deep clean once a month. But yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to kind of let you know. Maybe I want to include more stories if I have in the meantime in this video. But for now, that's all I got. It's not only sunshine and rainbows, obviously. I have actually, sorry, this same guy with the kids, 4 missing towels and a missing throw blanket. And I'm sorry, but that's like $25. The 4 towels are about another $30, so that's $50. But unfortunately, I was gonna leave a bad review, and that's not for me to be petty, although it is satisfying. But in the future, when somebody is about to host this person, I think they need to know what person is coming to their place. Same way I want to know when somebody comes to my place what they are, right? If they have all 5-star review across 20 hosts, that's great. If they don't, I want to know, and I can basically decline service. The other day, one guy had 10 reviews, 5-star each. He did not let us know if he's out until 2 p.m. We're actually about to call either police or just take his stuff out and show him outside. He was super uncommunicative, which I will definitely reflect that on his review. But he has 5-star review, 10 different hosts, which is weird. I'm gonna leave him 1. I'm sorry, but the day before he didn't say anything. The day off he didn't say anything. 11 o'clock he said, "I'll be there soon." And then 2 p.m. he said, "Oh, my stuff are actually out." Bro, we're waiting here. The cleaners are. I have back-to-back booking, right? All right, well, see if I'm going to have more footage. If not, keep hustling. Don't forget the goal is not to look rich, but to be rich. Peace.